In this video, we'll show you how to check your screen time on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you're curious about how much time you are spending on each app on your phone, you can open the settings app, scroll all the way down and then tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now here you will see this total time that you have spent in the last 24 hours. So simply tap here and you will see this detailed breakdown. You can tap on this view all option to see how much time you have spent on each app. So as you can see, Instagram, YouTube, X, WhatsApp, they are all there. You can then tap on an individual app to see a detailed breakdown, so you can see when exactly you use these apps. So you can even scroll down and see how many notifications you have received from this particular app and see how many times you have actually opened it. So this app was opened 26 times today. Now you can go to this previous dates as well, so you can tap these dates here. You can also switch to this weekly view to see your average throughout the week. So you can tap here and you'll see your average for entire week. So it's pretty straightforward. If you go back to this digital well-being menu, you'll see the breakdown in the category wise. So you have used social media apps this much, you have used video apps this much, you've used productivity and finance apps this much. You can even set timers for each app from here, so that once you reach that timer, you will receive a notification to stop using the app. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.